Okay, so it comes with this flexible, lightweighted tripod. It has a phone which you can record in portrait or landscape mode. And a hands-free remote control that allows you to shoot photos from a distance. Okay, so first I'd like to start off with the tripod. Let's just say it is very lightweight and compact. It only weighs 0.61 pounds, 0.20 kilograms. It is very durable material and provides great strength that can hold up to 2.6 pounds or 1.2 kilograms. It is a very flexible tripod. It can bend into selfie sticks, handheld stabilizers, or shoulder mounts by just adjusting the legs. This is perfect for impromptu shoot or a quick time-lapse video. It has a ball head joint, which allows 360 degrees of panoramas and a 90-degree tilt, ideal for portrait or landscape mode. The remote control system is compatible with Android and iOS systems, compatible with most smartphones such as iPhone,